This is Sean at Rick and Sue Carpenters. There's the handrail, pretty cut. Everything's pretty. Backboards are beautiful. Let's take a little stroll down the handicap ramp.
Hey, you go on that big tarp. There you go.
To get an idea how straight that is, Bo.
Yeah. So he's gonna send the truck out here to...
Yeah, we're gonna call PMC and tell them we got stuff to pick up. All right. And there's our 2x4 I put down here. Make sure he can't ride off the edge.
Yeah.
He's going over, messing himself up. So are you happy with everything?
Yeah, buddy.
Look good to you?
Sure does.
Let's go take a video of the inside. We got a cased opening and a door we put in. Let's go take a look at that.
Yeah, see there's the trim.
Yeah, this is your extra door trim right here. PMC's gonna have to take that back too. They sent way too much.
Okay. Yeah, it's like this.
You're looking at about $300 or $400 back on your materials. Always over order, man. You know.
I know, that's what we do on tile jobs and stuff.
Okay, so here's the door we installed. It was supposed to be a 3.0, but we can't get a 3.0 in here, but 32 inches is good enough to get a wheelchair through. Door opens and closes correctly. And here's our cased opening. Look at it from this side. All this needs is some carpet, a little bit more tile, and paint job.
Yeah, we're waiting on that drain that goes up against the wall.
All right.
That's the way you're going to be able to go in, it drops.
Well, you gotta
it's a walk-in, but
you gotta call Keith. He'll come. We got. Oh, you're a tile guy then.
we're going to leave this open.
All right.
No shower and close it.
So you're happy with everything?
Oh, yeah.
All right.